Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove green screen from a video. Let's get started. After placing the video in the timeline, select your video with the green screen, go to the video section and press remove background. Go to the Chroma Key section and as you can see we have a green screen video of a car driving by. And below that video we have space. Select the color picker and select the green color from our video. Then we have 4 settings we can adjust. The intensity, I will leave the intensity around 50%. The shadow, I'll keep the shadow at 0, and then you can feather the edge or clean the edge up. As you can see, our shadow right here has a little bit of green, so I'm going to clean up the edge, and as you can see everything is black now. I can also feather the edge. I'm going to put it around 5. And if I want to expand the shadow, I can play around with the shadow slider. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.